7. Psychology facts about best friends. 1. A true friend is someone who sees the pain in your eyes, while everyone else believes the smile on your face. 2. Sometimes, all the therapy you need is a moment with your best friend. 3. Best friends are people who make your problems their problems, just so you don't have to go through them alone. 4. Only a true friend will tell you to your face what others were saying behind your back. 5. A strong friendship doesn't need daily conversation. True friends can go weeks, months, or even years without speaking and still pick up where they left off. 6. If a friendship lasts longer than 6 years, psychologists say it will last a lifetime. 7. Friendship is not about who you spend the most time with. It's about who you have the best time with. Send this to your best friend and follow us for more.